Pretty cold weather spell going on. We had some flurries early yesterday. We had some sun yesterday, and we'll do really the same thing again today. So we're looking at another very cold day. We only managed to reach a high of 1 degree above zero, but still that was warm enough to place us in positive territory for the first time in more than 2 full days. That's time lapse. So the sun, this is the clouds, and the clouds have returned in the past couple of hours. This is now looking live outside with our Lewiston auto camera from the studio. Overcast right now here in the weather patio. It feels like 16 below zero. The winds 3 miles per hour out of the west, 7 below the current temperature. At the airport right now, Rochester 9 below zero, Dodge Center 9 below, Mason City 13 below zero. And the same situation in La Crosse right now. Winds fairly tame. West wind 7 miles per hour. Not overpowering, but maybe just a little bit of a breeze out there that makes it feel like 24 below. Doesn't take much wind for that to be the case. Dangerously cold wind chill values. Doesn't take very long, 15-20 minutes before you might have to encounter a little bit of frostbite. So you want to be covered up and stay inside as much as you can in this situation. We do have a wind chill advisory. And in fact, right now for Rochester and the entire area until 10 o'clock this morning, wind chill values will be in that 20 to 30 below range. And this, I think, will likely not be the last of these they'll be facing this week. Wind chill advisory criteria. A little disturbance, a little ripple of energy in the atmosphere, producing clouds. A couple flurries. We'll have those for the morning hours, then increasing sunshine moving forward. We'll make our way back above zero. In fact, even warmer than yesterday. We only made it to 1 degree yesterday. I'll be around 5 or 6 above later today. Right now, International Falls, the cold spot in the map, 20 below. But boy, they're not alone in the negative territory. Going all the way down to Des Moines, it's 9 below there, 12 below in Green Bay. Miles City, Montana, 14 below. Flurries, then sunshine, about 5 or 6 degrees above zero today. Thursday, a day that will barely get above zero, if at all, but it's also a day that will feature our next measurable snow potential. There's a chance we may see as much as an inch or so of snowfall there. Another chance may impact the weekend, but also some very cold air holding on right through the weekend into next week. Here's our forecast for this morning. Occasional sun and clouds, a couple flurries. 10 degrees below zero for that morning commute. We'll start there and make our way into sunshine this afternoon, a high eventually of 6. Sunset at 5:32. So 6 degrees, that's it. 20 degrees below today's seasonal average. Temperatures tonight, maybe not quite as cold as last night, not the 13, 14 below range, but still around 7 or 8 below zero with wind chills in that 10 to 20 below range. And that's for the daylight hours. We'll see that wind chill improve from that wind chill advisory criteria we're dealing with this morning to about 9 below for the heart of the day. Here's that future track, the high pressure that's still not moving anywhere very quickly. A little energy, a little piece of energy above it will produce clouds and snow flurries and snow showers at times this week. Otherwise, that high really sticks around, and we'll have a few passing clouds tomorrow. Extra thicker clouds coming in for Thursday with a larger system that eventually will bring some snow to the area. I'm looking at the possibility of some accumulation there starting midday and early afternoon, but not a lot. We're looking at about an inch or less of snowfall across the map for Thursday. And then looking ahead at the weekend, there's a storm system we're going to keep an eye on that's coming in from the southwest that may bring us a couple of inches of snow in the afternoon and evening hours. That would be on Saturday. Temperatures over the next several days pretty cold, though, right around zero for highs, if not colder than that at times heading into the weekend and even early next week. And temperatures this time of the year typically have been in the mid-20s, and it might be another couple of weeks before we really get to that type of temperature scheme. But 6 degrees today in Rochester, 7 in Mason City, 6 in Owatonna. Some flurries, then some sunshine with west winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, 7 below zero, a lighter southwest breeze. Wind chill 10 to 20 below. The 7-day forecast close to zero, right around that range for high temperatures, and a couple of doses of snow Thursday and Saturday ahead of us.
Keep it a sweater, I guess. Thank you, Ted.